a new deer breeding center has been established in the Mandvi north zone of Surat, covering an area of 2.26 hectares to increase the deer population and reduce human-wildlife conflict. Currently, the center houses 8 male deer, 22 female deer and 10 fawns. The center is staffed with 3 regular employees and provides medical facilities with a doctor conducting health checkups every 15 days. Operational since April 2024, the breeding center plays a crucial role in deer conservation as well as maintaining ecological balance in the region. All these efforts have been undertaken under the proactive initiative of Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel and the Gujarat government.
સ્પોટેડ ડિયરની સંખ્યામાં વધારો થતાં તેઓને જંગલમાં રિલીઝ કરવામાં આવશે, જેના કારણે દીપડાને જંગલમાં પોતાનો ખોરાક પૂરતો મળી રહે અને રેવન્યુ વિસ્તારમાં આ જે માનવ ઘર્ષણના બનાવો બને છે જે અટકી જાય એનો આ મુખ્ય હેતુ છે.
At the breeding center, deer are fed maize and fresh forest leaves in the morning and chickpeas and special grass fodder in the evening. Their safety and monitoring are ensured around the clock through 15 CCTV cameras. The center also has a drip irrigation and pumping system, natural shades to provide relief from the heat, and solar lighting arrangements. These facilities help provide the deer with a safe, clean and comfortable environment.
અંદર પાણીના હવાડા બનાવવામાં આવ્યા છે ને શેડ બનાવવામાં આવ્યા છે ને એમના ચારા માટે અહીંયા અમે જાતે મકાઈ ચારા વાવીએ છે.
In the future, the deer will be released into the forest to ensure adequate food for leopards. In this way, the Mandvi North Deer Breeding Center in Surat has not only created a safe environment for deer and leopards, but has also become a model for wildlife conservation and human-nature balance in the region.